we start, let's review. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, let's have the shapes. This is circle. This is triangle. This is square. This is rectangle. This is oval. This is star. Let's have the colors. It's white. It's pink. It's purple. It's blue. It's orange. It's green. It's black. Okay, so this is our lesson. Home sweet home. Let's review. Bed, bookcase, toy box, lamp, hug, pick up, sofa, TV. So it's on lesson 5 and 6. Okay, everybody. Clean, sweat, wash, mop. Again, clean, sweat, wash, and mop. Goodbye.